The Western pitch system and the octave. Read pages 48 through 53. The piano keyboard is convenient for understanding pitch relations, even if you don't play the piano. The white keys on the piano keyboard are given 7-letter names that run from A through G, as you can see in the diagram here. The letters repeat after the 7th, so we'll have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and A again. This gives us 7 steps plus the repetition, which equals an octave. Octave coming from the Latin for 8. This is an important concept to keep in mind when studying musical pitch. Note that some of these white keys are adjacent. Here we have B up to C and E up to F. Other white keys are non-adjacent. They have a black key in between. So for instance, going from A up to B, from C up to D, from F up to G, and from G up to A. We say that the non-adjacent keys, A up to B, for example, are a whole tone apart. The adjacent keys, E to F here, are a semitone apart. A whole tone equals 2 semitones. Black keys are named relative to white keys. In the diagram here, the black key that is circled in red is above A, so we'll call it A sharp. The very same key can also be seen as being below B, and so we'll call it B flat. And for your information, black keys are never adjacent. As you learned earlier, pitches 8 steps apart form an octave. These pitches have a 1-to-2 frequency relationship, and they sound as duplicates of each other. Here is the standard tuning A, and here is the A an octave higher. The octave is divided into steps. The size of the steps within an octave varies in different cultures, and we will study that later in this chapter. In Western music, the octave is divided into 12 semitones, like so. When you hear all the semitones in an octave like that, it is known as a chromatic scale. The word chroma refers to color.